Welcome ecopenny viewers to another penny farthing video. So my trusty penny farthing does go on different shows and events like the Bathurst Heritage Trails and Ironfest and a few other places like that. So I've got this sign that got made by Heart Art. It's really great. I'm thinking, do I need a bit more bling if I got this on display just to sort of advertise the YouTube channel and ecopenny, just so people can have a bit more information if they want to look at videos of the penny farthing being ridden. So I thought I'll make myself a banner. I'm heading off to OfficeWorks now to pick up the banner. I can't wait. It's a pretty good job you guys do. I've done one other for the Dragon Boat Club before. Yeah. It's always hard to get them out. So this is the banner that I had custom made at OfficeWorks. So they can print this for you in the store. It takes a few days to a week. And you have to do your own design, so I'll show you that in a minute on the computer how I did that. But let's have a look at this banner and see how great it is. You've got a pole that it stands on. So all you do is just simply, like a tent pole, do all that. The end like that, just the open end goes on the bottom. The end with this fancy plastic attachment goes at the top. So just slide it out of the carry case. So that's the main banner unit. All you do is turn the legs 90 degrees. It's got a little post there, so the pole goes through here and just sits on this little post, and then you just pull it up. So it's designed to be floor standing. You pull it up like a roller blind. You can see the banner in all its glory. And there you go. So I think it looks pretty fantastic. You've got the logo, the three facets of the channel: Eco Tips, Eco Sports and Penny Farthings. Eco Tips photo, Eco Sports photo, and of course the penny farthing photo. It's got a QR code which goes straight to the channel on someone's phone. Get your Facebook and Instagram and YouTube logos. And it's got the website and all that sort of stuff at the very bottom. So I think it looks fantastic. So if I'm at a show or something, I can put that up. So it just gives people a bit more information about the channel and what it's all about. So I'll just show you how I made the banner. OfficeWorks has for download a sample of the banner. So my one is the large one. It's 841 millimeters wide by 255 millimeters high. So about 2 meters high. In this sample just shows you not to have things right on the edge, leave a bit of a gap at the bottom to avoid getting stuff chopped out. So I'm using LibreOffice. This is the newer version, latest downloads 7.4. You can get it from libreoffice.org. It's a free program and you can donate if you really like it. So I've made a donation because I really like it. Prefer this to Microsoft products. So my version's a few years old. I'm happy with it, so I'm still using the older version from about 2017. So I've got 5.3. So I've opened this up in the draw module
of LibreOffice, and I've just set the dimensions of the page to be 84 by 205 centimeters, the size of the banner, and just made sure I've got wide area along the bottom, bit of a gap at the bottom and the sides and the top. In LibreOffice, you just assemble your graphics. Quite easy to use. You just import a graphic as a JPEG, move things around, put text in a text box. You get the idea. Just put everything where you want. Just got to be very careful to make sure you get no mistakes, no spelling errors. These images, put where you want. I've used a free QR code creator online just to get that graphic of the QR code that goes to the ecopenny YouTube channel. Got some text, and then I've got the YouTube, the Instagram, the Facebook, and the website at the bottom there. Just be careful with the QR code not to have it too low on the banner, otherwise people are going to bend their backs over to try and scan it. So try and have it in the middle of the banner, roughly at eye level. So that's just how I created that. Save that as a PDF, put it on a thumb drive, and OfficeWorks just reads your thumb drive. Try and use the best quality images you can because it's a fairly big thing. So this is the one that I gave to OfficeWorks. So you have to design everything yourself. They just simply print it. And there's my design. So it's quite easy to do. I think it's great value, approximately $100 Australian to get it all done. It only takes a few days. Fantastic.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. Shout out to OfficeWorks and Bathurst. I think they did a fantastic job. It only took about 2 days, but I'd allow a few days to a week just in case. I think it looks fantastic. It's just another edition. So if I'm out somewhere promoting ecopenny, I've got a bit more promotional information for people to look at. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Pretty good job you guys do. I've done one other for the Dragon Boat Club before. Yeah. It's always hard